Every home needs a puppet, every puppet needs a home.
The Democratic National Convention is packed with vendors who are supporting the Obama campaign. While some items being sold are things you might expect, other pieces of merchandise are a little more unique.
Walk it like Obama, walk it like Obama, down to your head.
This is for Barack. You know, we got to get him back in office, and also some of the proceeds we make from this, I give to his campaign.
Donald Wilson, seen here, reworded lyrics from the song Cupid Shuffle to create Obama Shuffle. They are supporting the president in their own style, and they're not the only ones.
My mission with my work is to make a difference. My pins, people tell me all the time, they start conversations. I call them spokespins sometimes.
Weber's pins have been worn by Hillary Clinton, Gloria Steinem, and Madeleine Albright. She wasn't having any trouble selling her products. Most people just wanted to sport any gear they could put their hands on.
Because this is publicity. These people will buy this stuff and they'll go back to their hometowns and they'll wear it. And they'll be promoting Barack Obama.
I think it's important because they give us a souvenir and something we can remember this moment from. And I appreciate it.
There were paintings, puppets, bags, pins, and more. The Democratic National Convention inspired people to express their own sense of style, whatever form that may take.
Drop kick, drop kick.